In this video, I'm going to be talking a little bit about counting and how to use a metronome. So with metronomes, you can use one like this, or you can use an app for a smartphone or an iPad, or you can use a free online metronome. Many ways to get a metronome, but I'm going to be using this one. So what you want to do is set the metronome to a nice slow tempo, like 60 beats per minute. And sometimes that's abbreviated BPM. So now the metronome is clicking, and I'm ready to start counting along with it. So what I'm going to be doing is on each click, I'm going to be counting 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I'm going to tap my foot along with my counting. That'll look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So on the counts, my right toe is coming towards the ground. In addition to tapping my foot, I also want to be patting my right leg with my right hand. So that looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're noticing probably that my hands go down, my foot go down together, and they come up together. It's like there's a little string that's attaching those two. So when my hand comes up, my foot comes up. Now, we want to get into counting the ands. So exactly halfway between each click is the and. So with my foot, one way to think about it is like you have a little shelf that your foot hits halfway between the clicks. And when it hits that halfway point, you say and. So that'll look like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So my foot is hitting my hand on the ands, and then my foot is hitting the ground on the numbers. Same thing happens with the hands. So I can imagine like a little shelf that my hand hits exactly halfway between the clicks. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Because we want it to be even and measured exactly. So the next step is to count the ands while tapping my foot and patting my hand. So that'll look and sound like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So there you have it, counting with a metronome. And you can also do this when you're playing your strumming rhythms. When you're strumming, when your foot goes down, your hand goes down. When your foot comes up, your strumming hand comes up. So that ends up looking like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2. I'll do it with the metronome here. Find our nice slow tempo of 60 beats a minute. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and that's how it works.